Hey guys, there's something I'm seeing on the Bitcoin chart that I feel like sharing with you guys. There's something I see I'm seeing right now. I think Bitcoin is going to drop all the way to 70K. I think Bitcoin is going to drop all the way to 70K. Now, let me go to the weekly time frame and explain the reason why I think that is going to happen. Now, if you see at this level right here, at this level right here, right? Price stored at that point for I think couple of weeks, for a couple of weeks, if not about a month at this point. Then what happened? We see that buyers came, grabbed the liquidity as at this point, and sellers dropped the market all the way to the downside, right? When the liquidity above this high at 124, 123 was taken out, right? And then again, if you take your trend line from here, if you draw it from here correctly, you will notice something that the market right now is currently breaking the trend line. But we confirm that if this weekly candle closes, right? And then there's something again. There's something again that's giving me another conflict if it happens. Is that now watch what happened as at this price level right here. As at this price level right here. When this liquidity was grabbed as at this point and sellers sold this market from this price point, now another liquidity here was grabbed as well. So my expectation would have been my expectation would have been for this market to rally all the way up and take out this level right here, right? But it didn't happen. Why? Because sellers are very strong in this market. Now see what happened. Let me take this out. This is clearly a demand zone, right? So we're expecting buyers to be here. Good. And they were at some point. Now they pushed the market from about 100K. They were able to raise price up all the way to 114K, right? But unfortunately, they do not take out this high at 125K. They tried again, but still they did not take it out, right? Sellers overpowered them as at this point again, right? Good. Now, if this level should fail, which I believe it will, right? If it should fail, what we're going to say is that we're going to see price pulling back. We're going to see price do this, sorry, then retest this level, and then we might see a drop off. It might not happen instantly, right? But something like this is likely to happen, guys. And Bitcoin might come all the way to 70K. And why am I indicating this zone? Because now watch price. Now, when price was here, it took price months. It took price months to be able to break out of this zone that you're seeing right here. You see, price struggled multiple times. This is a weekly time frame, don't forget. So when buyers were able to break out of this place, look at the momentum, they push price up rapidly. So now I don't think they would want price to drop below this level. I don't think so. I really don't think so. And this point, this price point, I think it's going to be liquidated. This level right here is going to be liquidated. Is going to be liquidated from my own standpoint, right? This is what I'm seeing right now. It's going to be liquidated. If this should happen, if price should break below this level, this zone right here, which I believe it will, we might likely see price correct and then drop all the way to this point. This is what I'm currently saying on Bitcoin right now. guys. If it fails, if it should fail, there's every possibility that it might not, but I think that it will fail. From what I'm saying, it might fail. So just let me know, guys. Let me know what you're saying, what your idea is on Bitcoin. What you Do you think it's gonna drop, or you think buyers are going to, step into this market at some point and take the price, you know, take it to the moon? I don't know. Probably just take it to the moon or whatever. Just let me know. Let me know what you think about Bitcoin right now. Because what I'm saying, bro, I think this is gonna play out. I think this is possibly gonna play out, guys. So, but just let me know in the comment section, guys, what your take are on Bitcoin at the moment.